Icona Lashes YouTube channel. My name is Annalisa Moreno and I'm the beauty stylist for all things Icona Lashes. If you are new, welcome. I'm so excited all of you beauties are here with me today. We are going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Yeah. Who isn't excited for Valentine's Day? I know I am. It's one of my favorite holidays, even if I don't have a boyfriend on that day. Still a lot of fun. But anywho, y'all, so if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this little Valentine's Day number, keep on watching.
So first I'm going to go in with this NYX brow pencil. I use the shade Chocolate. So here I'm just trying to add some shape to my eyebrow, and I kind of just pencil in that little point to each eyebrow end. Next, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Pencil Concealer, and I'm just going to use a flat brush for application. And the goal here is just to create a defined eyebrow. Next, I'm going to use my Eco Tools blender sponge just to blend everything out. You just want to make sure that you blend out the MAC paint pot all over your eyelid so that your eyes are nice and primed and ready for eyeshadow application. First color you're going to go in with is the color Peach Meringue with this flat brush. Next, you're going to go in with the colors Peach Tea and Fresh Picked, and just use a crease brush to blend it all out in your crease. Then apply the color just right to the outer corners of your eye, just making sure that you darken out the crease and blend it kind of upwards. Then you're going to use the same Eco Tools Defined Crease Brush for a little extra blending throughout the crease of your eyelid. With the color Peach Sangria, you're going to want to apply it to the lower corner of your eyelid. Try not to lift that color too far up into the crease. You kind of want to just pack it in the corners. With the LA Girl Pro Concealer, you want to cut your crease slightly. Then you're lightly going to dab the shimmer with your finger on top of your eyelid and just pack it on there as so. Then you're going to go back in with the color Peach Sangria and kind of create an ombre effect. Then to darken the crease, you're going to go in with the color Chocolate Dipped and pack that in the outermost corner. And I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium to clean up my eye look and conceal any dark circles or blemishes I have. Then I'm going to go back in with my Eco Tools blender sponge and just blend out all the concealer and make sure it's all nice and smooth. Then with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to apply the color Rich Girl to my eyelid. I like to use the Maybelline Line Stiletto Black Eyeliner. Once I applied my eyeliner, I added a little bit more of the shade Peach Sangria to the center of my eyelid to still give that ombre-ish effect. Now for my eyelashes, I always like to curl them and apply a light coat of mascara before I apply my false lashes. It's always so much fun opening your Icona lashes. For this look, I decided to use the Head Over Heels lashes, and here I am just going to apply them to my eyelid as so. Now for some foundation, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless, and I like to apply it with the Wonder Cover Complexion Brush by Ego Tools. I think it just adds a smooth finish to my foundation. I like to go back in with the ColourPop Light Shimmer color and apply that to my brow bone just to give it that extra little pop. With the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer, I like to highlight and brighten my face to kind of give that contour effect. Then with my Laura Mercier loose setting powder, I'm going to set all of that concealer. With an angled brush, I'm just going to sweep away any excess loose setting powder. Now for a little contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette and my Sculpt Bookie Brush by Ego Tools to apply the dark shade around my cheekbones and my forehead area. Now for some highlight, I like to use the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlight, and wow y'all, like it really makes your face pop. I like to apply this with my finger because it is a creamy consistency. Such a sad, sad day. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Rich Girl and add that to my inner corners, as well as adding the colors Peach Sangria and Just Right under my lash line. We are not done yet. I just got a little excited because I am really feeling this makeup look. And last but not least, Icona Beauties, I like to mix the Anastasia Beverly Hills shades Ashton and Dusty Rose to make a mauve / brown undertone lipstick color. And voila! There you have it, Icona Beauties, this Valentine's Day pink look.
Okay y'all, so that is all I have for you today. I am so excited that I got to show you guys this little dipped chocolate strawberry look. That's what I think, that's what like it reminds me of. It reminds me of chocolate covered strawberries. But anyways, I'm so excited that I got to share this with you guys. It is a great look for date night or Galentine's Day, whoever you're spending it with. Definitely a night look because it's a little bit more dramatic. But hey, whatever floats your boat. If you want to wear it during the day, go for it, girlfriend. But anywho, if you love this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you can be a part of our Icona YouTube family. I look forward to making some more videos for you guys. See you soon.